In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find synthetic indices like VIX 75 boom and crash on Tradingview, a platform renowned for its comprehensive charting tools and technical analysis resources. Synthetic indices are popular among traders for their volatility and the unique opportunities they provide for profit through strategic trading. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of locating these indices on TradingView via the Deriv platform, ensuring you have access to the real-time data you need to make informed trading decisions. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Advanced Trading Charts and Tools page offered by Deriv. You can find this by navigating to charts.deriv.com/derive, where you'll be able to access the TradingView interface. Once you've arrived, you'll encounter a user-friendly layout designed to provide detailed financial data and charting capabilities. Now, look towards the top of the page and locate the search bar. This is your tool to pinpoint the indices you're interested in. We're going to start by searching for the VIX 75 index. In the search bar, type in VIX 75 or R75. This step is straightforward but crucial as it allows the platform to filter through numerous indices and present you with your desired selection. TradingView will then pull up a series of results related to your search term. Next, click on the result that matches VIX 75 from the list that appears. This action will open the chart associated with this index, providing you with access to a variety of metrics and charting options. Here, you can delve into candlestick patterns, volume indicators, and more, allowing for a detailed analysis of the VIX 75 index's performance. Now let's move on to the indices related to boom. Similar to how we located VIX 75, you'll head back to the search bar, this time typing in Boom 300N. This is part of the Boom Indices series, known for sudden price movements that can be beneficial for short-term trades. Just like earlier, click on the corresponding result that appears. This will again open up a chart filled with insightful data and trading options. Remember, this same process can be repeated to find other synthetic indices as well, whether they're from the boom category, crash, or others. The key is getting accustomed to utilizing the search function efficiently on TradingView via Deriv. By now, you should feel more confident in navigating TradingView to find and analyze synthetic indices like VIX 75 and Boom 300N. This ability not only enhances your technical analysis skills, but also positions you to effectively leverage market volatility for better trading outcomes. Thank you for following along, and I hope you're now ready to apply these insights on your trading journey. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.